Hello students, how are you? I think you are fine. Okay, today I am going to take a class for class 9 and 10 also, English first paper. Look at this picture. Can you see my picture? It is also given in your textbook, but to make it more colorful, to make it beautiful, I am going to show a picture. Can you see it? Now tell me, what is the picture about? What do you see in the picture? It is called Shohid Minar. You have seen Shohid Minar in every district, and in Upazilas there are Shohid Minars. But it is central Shohid Minar. Can you guess where is it located or situated? Can you tell me? Okay, I am telling. It is situated near or beside Dhaka Medical College. And can you tell me why was it built? Why was it built? To show respect to the language martyrs, which took place in 1952. Okay, today our topic is International Mother Language Day. Today my topic is International Mother Language, International Mother Language Day. Sorry, part 1. Okay, the text is about that. Before reading the text, I am going to give you a simple table. It is, you will notice time, and it is what happened. What happened? Time is 1947, 1948 and 1952. So, I am reading the text, and while I read, try to find out the information given in the table. You have time is mentioned, 1947, 1948 and 1952, and what happened during this period. Well, I am going to read the text. Be attentive. 21st February is a memorable day in our national history. We observe the day every year as International Mother Language Day. The day is a national holiday. On this day, we pay tribute to the martyrs who laid down their lives to establish Bangla as a state language in undivided Pakistan in 1952. The struggle to achieve our language rights is known as the language movement. Bhasha Andolan, language movement. The seed of the language movement was sown on 21st March 1948, when Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the Governor General of Pakistan, declared in a public meeting in Dhaka that Urdu would be the only state language of Pakistan. The declaration raised a storm of protest in the eastern part of the country. The protest continued non-stop, gathering momentum day by day. It turned into a movement and reached its climax in 1952. The government outlawed all sorts of public meetings and rallies to stop it. The students of Dhaka University defied the law and brought out a peaceful protest procession on 21st February 1952. When the procession reached near Dhaka Medical College, the police opened fire on the students, killing Salam, Rafiq, Barkat, Shapir and Jabbar. As a result, there were mass protests all over the country and the government had to declare Bangla as a state language. This kindled the sparks of independence movement of Bangladesh. So this is the text about International Mother Language Day, part 1. It's actually, there is a long history behind it. We achieved independence, but before we achieved independence in 1971, many events happened before it. And language movement is one of them. And it is the part 1. Well, have you got the information? What happened in 1947 and what happened in 1948 and what happened in 1952? Okay, think about for some time and I am going to give you the answer. Match it with me. And while I read the text, you will notice you may face problems about some vocabs. Okay, it is given in your textbook. Open, go to the next page, and it is given in the form of matching. And try to do it yourself first, and then I will supply the correct answer. You will match with me. Okay. Can you see? So I gave you a table while I was reading the text. What happened in 1947? Pakistan and India became independent. Okay, in 1947. Actually, India's subcontinent was included, Pakistan and India. And Pakistan was divided into two, East Pakistan and West Pakistan. 1948. What happened in 1948? Muhammad Ali Jinnah declared Urdu to be the only state language of Pakistan. In 1948, Muhammad Ali Jinnah declared Urdu to be the only state language of Pakistan. What happened in 1952? You know it very well. Students of Dhaka University brought out a peaceful procession on 21st February in 1952. So we got the answers and I gave you the table before reading the text. Well, I told you here are some vocabs in matching. I am going to show it. Tribute. Tribute, you got it in your text. An act to show respect. An act to show respect or admiration. Climax, the most exciting point. It is called climax. Outflow, to ban. To ban, outflow. Defy, to refuse to obey or deny. Defy, to refuse to obey. Relent, to give in or surrender. Not to give in or surrender. I mean, atmasamorpan kora. Defy. Relent. Momentum, the ability to keep increasing or developing. The ability to keep increasing or developing. So, the matching is given in the form of matching. So, I gave you the correct answer. Try to match it with your textbook. And if you know the meanings of these words, and it will help you to understand the text better. So, read the text once again at home repeatedly so that you can understand better. The more you will read, the more you will learn more. So, thanks for today. And if you have any question, feel free to ask and keep in touch with us. And we are conducting online classes due to the situation you know all over the country. But stay at home, stay safe and be connected with us. Thank you very much.